Good morning students. In previous class, 8th class, NS subject we learned 3.2, that is story of microorganisms. No? And we learnt about useful microorganisms and harmful microorganisms. Microorganisms are present in anywhere. Already we learned they are present in water, they are present in soil, they are present in our human body. They cause diseases in plants and animals. Already we learned. And also we learned about microorganism. Friends are foe. Friends means friendly microorganism here. Foes means enemies. We learned. Now I will explain about fourth lesson in NS subject 8th class, that is reproduction in animals. First I will explain about the definition of reproduction. What is meant by reproduction? The ability of an organism to produce new generation individuals within same species is known as reproduction. If you will observe, the same species organisms can give birth to another generation individual, that is due to reproduction. If you will observe in our day-to-day life, so many living organisms dies due to accidents or old age or diseases. So reproduction is the process which helpful to replace new ones in the place of dead ones. If reproduction does not take place, what will happen? Our generation will end. So that's why reproduction helpful to replace new individuals within same species. Same species means, for example, if you will take a neem tree can give a neem tree, a buffalo can give a buffalo, a tiger can give a tiger. That is called same species. In this class, I will explain about modes of reproduction and also how reproduction takes place in animals and how reproduction takes place in plants also. So, all of you open your page number 54 NS subject. All of you open page number 54 in your NS textbook and fill the columns, fill the table which given in page number 54. All of you open page number 54 with the help of sharpened pencil. You have to fill the columns. Already they gave some animal names in the first table, above first table. They are deer, leopard, pig, fish, buffalo, giraffe, frog, sparrow, lizard, crow, snake, elephant, cat. Now write down serial number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. They gave 6 columns to you. Write down serial number there 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And animals that have external ears. The animals which have external ears you have to write in the second column. See here, deer. Deer have external ears. Now, in third column you have to write animals that do not have external ears. Write down there fish. Is fish have external ears? No. So you have to write fish there. Now, serial number 2. Leopard means Chirutapuli. They have external ears, no? Write down. Next. Frog. If you will observe frog, it does not have external ears. You have to write serial number 2. In that you have to write, in third column you have to write frog. Now, third serial number. Animals that have external ears. Pig. Pig have external ears. Animals that do not have external ears, you have to write sparrow. Sparrow means pichuka. They does not have external ears. Next, serial number 4. Write down buffalo. Buffalo have external ears. Lizard. Is lizard have external ears? No. Write down 4 serial number in third column, right? Lizard. Now, serial number 5. Elephant. Elephant have large external ears, no? Next, third column you have to write in serial number 5. Crow. Is crow have external ears? No. Why? Because crow is a bird. Last serial number, that is 6th serial number. There you have to write cat. Cat have external ears. In third column, 6th serial number you have to write snake. Snake does not have external ears. Now, they gave some animals in the above the second table also. Cow, rat, crow, pig, fox, hen, camel, duck, frog, elephant, buffalo, pigeon, cat, peacock, lizard. Here in second table they give 4 columns to you and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 serial numbers. First serial number, write down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 serial numbers. Name of the animal. First one is, you have to write cow. Presence of external ear. Is cow have external ears? Yes. You have to write there. Yes. Presence of epidermal hair on the skin. If you will observe, in cow we can find out hair on the skin. Little bit hair also we can find out. So you have to write presence of epidermal hair on skin. Second one you have to write crow. If you will observe in crow, presence of external, is crow have external ears? No. Why? Because it is a bird. You have to write no. Presence of epidermal hair on the skin, feathers on their wings. If you will observe in crow, we can find out feathers on wings. Okay. Next, write serial number 3. There you have to write fox. Presence of external ear. Is fox have external ears? Yes, it is a mammal. Write S here. In third column, serial number 3, you have to write presence of epidermal hair on the skin. They have hair no on their skin. Next, fourth column, duck. Duck means batu. Is duck have external ears? No, you have to write no there. And they have feathers on their wings, no? Write down there. Last one, elephant. Name of the animal, elephant. Last serial number, elephant. Presence of external, they have large external ears, no? You have to write there S. Presence of epidermal hair on the skin. It is a mammal, they have external ears. So, these are, with the help of these tables, we can understand the animals which have external ears, the animals which have external ears and which have epidermal hair on the skin, and the animals which give birth to young ones. Such animals are called mammals. Such animals are called mammals. Also called as viviparous animals. Also called as viviparous animals. The animals which have external ears. External ears, and the animals which have hair on the skin, and the animals which give birth to young ones. Such animals are called mammals or viviparous animals. Now, I will explain about oviparous animals. Oviparous animals. If you will observe, we learned some birds' names in the 1-2 tables. No? The animals which lays eggs. The animals which lays eggs, and the animals which have feathers on their wings. Such animals are called oviparous animals. Very important in the exam point of view. What are viviparous animals and what are oviparous animals? Viviparous animals means the animals which have external ears and the animals which have hair on their skin and the animals which give birth to the young ones, they are called viviparous animals. Give some examples of viviparous animals are humans. Do you know, children, human being also an animal. We are social animals. Humans, cows, buffaloes, goat, sheep, etc. If you will observe these animals, we can find out hair on their skin. If you will observe, humans have hair, and also cows also have hair on their skin, goat, sheep, etc. And also they give birth to their young ones. Such animals are called viviparous animals. If you will observe oviparous animals, they does not have external ears and they does not have hair on their skin and they does not give birth to their young ones. Such animals which lays eggs and which have feathers on their wings Such animals are called oviparous animals. If you will observe, oviparous animals are hen, duck, crow, pigeon, etc. They are oviparous animals. Means they lay eggs. They does not have external ears and they does not have hair on their skin and they does not give birth to their young ones. They lay eggs and they have feathers on their wings. Such animals are called oviparous animals. Now I will explain about next topic in reproduction lesson, that is modes of reproduction. Second topic, already we learnt about oviparous animals and viviparous animals. No? Now I will explain about second topic in fourth lesson, that is modes of reproduction. If you will observe, living organisms can perform two types of reproduction. One is asexual reproduction and second one is sexual reproduction. What is the major difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction? If you will observe in asexual reproduction, we can find out only one organism. This organism acts as male and this acts as female. If you will observe in sexual reproduction, we can find out two organisms. That is, one is male and the one is female. Okay, if you will observe asexual reproduction, we can find out only one organism. One organism acts as male and that organism acts as female. If you will observe in sexual reproduction, we can find out two organisms. One is male and the one is female. Do you know they produce gametes? What are gametes? Male gametes and female gametes. Male gametes and female gametes. When these gametes are fused, zygote will be formed. Zygote develop into embryo develop into new baby. This is the flow chart which shows about sexual reproduction. In sexual reproduction, we can find out two organisms. One is male and the one is female. They produce gametes. Production of gametes is the fundamental character in sexual reproduction. Male gametes, female gametes. What that male gametes? If you will observe in animals, male gametes are sperms and female gametes are ova. When these two are fused, zygote will be formed that takes place in animals. If you will observe in plants, what are the male gametes in plants? Pollen grains. Pollen grains are the male gametes. If you will observe in plants, female gametes are called ovules. Pollen grains and ovules. These are male gametes and these are female gametes. When these two are fused, zygote will be formed. Zygote develop into embryo. Embryo develop into fruit. Fruit gives seeds. Seeds give new plant. That is the flow chart which seen in sexual reproduction in plants. So this is the fundamental characters between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. In asexual reproduction, we cannot find out male and female organism. Only one organism we can find out that acts as male and that acts as female. No production of gametes, no zygote will be formed, no embryo formed in asexual reproduction. A organism directly produce new ones or young ones without involvement of male and female organisms and without involvement of gametes. Once again, I repeat the major difference between asexual reproduction and sexual reproduction. Very important in the exam point of view. One is asexual reproduction, second one is sexual reproduction. What is the fundamental character? We can find out in asexual reproduction only one organism is involved. That acts as male, that acts as female. In sexual reproduction, we can find out two organisms. One is male and the one is female. In asexual reproduction, no production of gametes takes place. In sexual reproduction, production of gametes takes place. In asexual reproduction, we cannot find out the formation of zygote. In sexual reproduction, we can find out the formation of zygote. Give some examples of organisms which can perform asexual reproduction are lower organisms are like unicellular organisms like amoeba, paramecium, hydra, etc. They perform asexual reproduction. The organisms which perform sexual reproduction are mammals or some plants. Okay. In the next class, I will explain about modes of asexual reproduction. Okay children, thank you.